People in Haiti are fighting to recover after Hurricane Matthew devastated its shores and killed hundreds of people. A group of Tulsa doctors stepped up to help. Fox 23's Kaylee Doherty joins us live with the work they were able to do. Kaylee.
A group of doctors right here from Tulsa was able to help more than 1,000 people in Haiti. They say it was an unbelievable experience.
Just last month, Hurricane Matthew devastated the country of Haiti, killing more than 470 people and injuring countless others. In His Image International, a residency program at St. John's in Tulsa, sent 2 medical relief teams to Haiti's southwest peninsula, where tremendous devastation remains.
We just had this clear view of all these devastated villages, and all the trees were gone.
Dr. Timothy Condi was on the second team that went to serve the last week of October. The team served 1,131 patients. He says the group treated several infected wounds, fractures, and surprisingly a lot of allergies due to the dryness left behind after the storm. And they also helped treat life-threatening diseases such as malaria and cholera.
We expected the cholera because the hurricane brought so much of the wastewater through towns, and then people were exposed to it and got cholera as a result.
The mission of In His Image is to not only provide physical healing, but also to share the love of Christ with others. Condi says the opportunity to serve in that capacity was a powerful experience.
I sat there and waited all day long to get just 5 minutes with us to say, look, I'm hurting and I need help. And so it was humbling to be able to be a part of it.
The group hopes to possibly go back to Haiti to help even more in the future. Reporting live, covering news that matters, I'm Kaylee Doherty, Fox 23 News.
They will need help for years to come. Kaylee, thank you.